This is so frustrating when this happens, when your external power meter drops power when using Zwift with a controllable trainer, but I've got a really, really simple fix for it. So when you're pairing up your devices, so your external power meter, I'm using a Stages, but it can be another external power meter, what I want you to do is where it says power source, cadence, and obviously heart rate, you can either pair these through Bluetooth or the A&T stick. But what I want you to do is, with your power meter, use Bluetooth. So get your power meter, so you can see the Stages power meter, use Bluetooth for it. Cadence, use Bluetooth again for the actual power. And for the controllable trainer, I want you to use the A&T stick. So what I've found, or what I was told by my good friend, is that he'd had the same issue with his Wahoo. And basically what it is, it's too much data and too much information being sent over through into the A&T stick. Before, I was using the A&T stick to basically have all my data being sent there. So because I've paired that now with Bluetooth and the A&T stick with the trainer, it's not all the information is not being sent via one thing. I think it was just being overloaded. And touch wood, I've not had any dropout since then, so because it is so frustrating. So I do hope this helps. Try it out, or I mean, you don't have to do it all the way I've done it. You could put the controllable trainer on Bluetooth and the power meter and cadence on the A&T stick, but just try it out. Let me know how you get on, and I hope that fixes that problem for you.